Easy Access produce premium quality portable height access equipment, including a huge range of scaffolding, ladders, work platforms and custom modifications. At Easy Access, everything is done in-house. Our design team is constantly working on the next innovation to make our trades customers' jobs easier and safer, using the latest in engineering, drafting, design practice and technology. Much of the Easy Access product range is made in our ISO 9001 accredited Northland manufacturing facility, and we use only the best materials such as high tensile marine grade aluminium and COO approved steel. And our independent testing procedures ensure our products are safe and fully compliant to New Zealand's regulatory requirements. All our products are designed and produced by a team of highly qualified and experienced metal fabricators and welders who specialise in a myriad of crafts. A hands-on approach means that every line drawn, every cut, join and weld is visually scrutinised before the product goes to the next stage of manufacture. This level of precision gives Easy Access the edge over our competitors, as does our investment in technologies that further ensure a quality build. We're always looking for ways to provide even more value to our customers via the latest robotic welding and CNC machinery. No matter what trade or industry you operate in, Easy Access understands the needs of workers who carry out tasks at height, and we bring added compliance, safety and efficiency to your company via smart design and robust construction. Whether it is for access to building exteriors, interiors, roofs, warehouse shelves, truck decks, machinery or any obstacle that hinders efficient and safe work, Easy Access Designs provide safe and compliant solutions to our clients' height access challenges. Before assembly, Easy Access puts components through a rigorous quality check and preparations to make sure that the materials will withstand even the harshest environmental conditions before being shipped to our distributor network for sale. Easy Access. Reach it the easy way.